Happy Sabbath, everyone.
Happy Sabbath.
Today, this health nugget will be about work. What does work mean in the Bible? Work, to labor, to be occupied, performing manual labor, whether severe or moderate. One man works better than another. One man works here, another works lazily. How can we do it? To work is to do labor. Work has been done even before Adam and Eve sinned against God, as God gave each of them tasks to do around the Garden of Eden. What we can always do first is pray to God, that we can find something beneficial for us and to God to keep us occupied. I want to say occupied because the devil finds work for idle hands. We can also look for any opportunity to get a job that will positively affect us. Why is it good to work? If we don't work, the devil will find evil works for the souls who lounge around and do nothing. Examples could be like harming someone, doing stuff illegal, or anything that leads to a negative result. This is why we work to take our minds off of evil things the devil tempts us to do. We also do work because that's how the world works, as money is used to provide for all the necessities. What do you want to say to little, big, and children? Never slack off, especially if you consider break or time off, because those times are when the devil can strike hardest, and he might fully tempt you since you have nothing to do. Always use your time to your advantage and use most of it to talk to God. Although labor is good for the soul, that won't be close to enough to save you. So any time you have, use it to stay with God and to get closer to Him. God will provide for you.
Amen.